Wanted to go over 3 things I like about this particular dog ramp. So this is made by Pawaboo, P-A-W-A-B-O-O. This ramp was given to me in exchange for making a review video. This one is 74 inches by 20 inches. They have another model that's 67 inches by 20 inches. This is the larger one. And this one's advertised up to 400 pounds. So it's very strong. So things I like about it, one is the metal construction of it that makes it very strong. This is not plastic, this is metal. You can see it's got the metal supports across here. So strength is very good in my opinion. Again, rated up to 400 pounds. Another thing I like about it is the length of it being 74 inches. It makes it where the angle is not too steep when you're going in the back of a truck or an SUV. Another thing I really liked about it is it comes fully assembled. No assembly required. You open it up out of the box and this is what you get. So that was great. It also, just another feature, it has this little clip on it, so you can think about in an SUV, there may be sometimes a door latch where the rear door latches, and you could attach that for extra security. But on truck bed, it feels secure on the back of this truck bed. And the last thing I like about it is the way it folds up into simple storage. So you got a handle right here, and I can grab it. Then it's gonna fold up. It's even got these little latches here if you want to attach that to keep it from unfolding. But as far as transportation and being able to store it in the back of a vehicle, you can see it comes down to a pretty compact size. Strong, fully assembled, and then folds up nicely for transportation. I can definitely recommend this product.